We just walked over from what was that game? Tupa and chip machine, and I won. I put my $400 ticket in. 375 bet. First spin, I got the free freaking game. Grand is 10, Mini's 40, Minor's 100, Major 500. What do you think I'm gonna get, huh? Happy?
I don't know, but very well.
So what is? So I didn't get the free games. I didn't get the free game.
Look at how much I made on this. $37.
Yeah, but you got a couple line hits, but. Oh, I thought I got free games. Well, that's not fair. I had 3 of them.
Come on, baby. Oh, I saw it.
So all of them are going to be wild at the end, right?
Yeah.
I got quite a few. I really thought I got it. So without line hits, it's $37.50. Come on, you son of a whore. Ooh. I didn't even get my money back. I hate this game.
Yeah, I'm not gonna play.
It sucks.
Some days some days.
You never know. It started with 400, 387, 2. All right.